Hi, I'm Haley and I am with the Healthy Facts Inc. And today we are going to be making a no drip peanut butter and jelly sandwich. So let's get right into it. So we are first going to be taking our bread, and we have whole grain bread, and we are going to be using 2 pieces for this sandwich. So we're going to get our 2 pieces, and we are going to first spread our peanut butter on, and we are using the Smucker's Natural Peanut Butter. So we are just going to take some of that and spoon it right on to 1 piece of the bread. You really want to make sure you get it all over piece. Okay. So then on the other side of the piece of bread, you are going to line the bread with peanut butter so that we can put our jelly in the middle so that it doesn't drip. Okay. So then once that is done, we are going to be taking our jelly and putting that in the middle of our slot that we created. Okay, so once you put your jelly in the middle, it should look something like this. And then we are going to be putting some fruit to add some extra flavor to the sandwich. So we are gonna add, just for some fun extra flavor, some grapes and some strawberries and one of my favorites, the fig. It's just very beautiful and it is very sweet. It adds a lot of extra flavor to the sandwich. So then for the final step, we are just going to put the sandwich all together, and then we will be cutting it in half. And at the end, you should have a no drip peanut butter and jelly sandwich.
Yay!